Hello everybody, thank you for watching this channel. Today I'm gonna unbox this MR2 MK1 toy car. Got my MR2 not long ago and I just saw that on eBay and fancied to get myself a little model which I can put on my car. So here's the box. This is actually come from Japan, and I can't find anyone selling in the UK. So, and I got this one. I find this seller from Japan, but it's all in Japanese. And I'm from Hong Kong myself, so let's see what's in there. This is the packaging is in red color, and also you can probably in here. You can get all sorts of different kind of paint to spray it. I might spray this car. I got some black spray. I might find a color, a red color matching my car. So let's see what's in there. So you got 4 wheels, and this. I'm gonna let you guys know in the next video what kind of color I find. So I'm gonna do a spray on that. And next one is all the clear plastic. So windscreen, what else? Oh, must be a light, and the back window and the front windows. And the next one is all the body part now. So underneath the wheel arch, seat, nice. And this is a external part. Probably I will need to spray this as well. There's a back engine bonnet, door. Should I do some fancy color on the door, I wonder? Steering wheel. How come they got 2 steering wheel? Hold on. They got one here. I don't think this is the MK1 steering wheel. Yeah, this one is more like a MK1. So I'm going to look at the instruction. Why they give me 2 steering wheel? So yeah, maybe we can, is it changeable? So we see. Okay, and the next one is instruction. This instruction is all in Japanese. I guess most of them will be in just pictures. Hopefully I can understand. Definitely show you a video how to make this next time. It looks very, very fun. So is this going to be a pop-up light? It'd be interesting if it does. And finally a little stickers. So what I'm going to do, I probably need to order some glue. Probably, I don't know if they can need a special glue for this, because I don't make this kind of model for myself. And what I'm going to do is get some spray. My local DIY shop probably have some spray. I might actually go there tomorrow for the Saturday. And let's put all the box back. Until next video, thank you for watching again.